First up, this is a advertisement for Peter Parker Spectre Spider-Man #1 launch party, Wednesday, June 21st. Comic Book Legal Defense Fund Defender, Summer Edition. Paper Girls, number 15. Buffy, season 11, number 7. Astro City, number 44. Royal City, number 3. Department H, number 14. The Dying and the Dead, number 4. It's been a while since the last issue came out. The Old Guard, number 4. Angel, season 11, number 5. Plastic, number 2. Saucer State, number 1. This is a continuation from, I think it was Saucer Country, that I believe was from Vertigo. I think this is just a limited series here too. It's a continuation of it. Killer Be Killed, number 9. MONSTRESS, number 12. Killer Be Killed, number 8. Sons of the Devil, number 12. Grass Kings, number 3. Free Comic Book Day, Buffy, the High School Years. Regression, number 1. Free Comic Book Day, Secret Empire, Marvel. Free Comic Book Day, All New Guardians of the Galaxy. The Unsound, number 1 from Boom Studios. I think this is the same writer. Yeah, it's the same writer. 2 different number 1s. One's from Image, the other one's from Boom. Outcast, number 28. Injection, number 13. The Dark Knight 3, The Master Race, number 9, finally. Last issue of it. Sex Criminals, number 19. Saga, number 43. AD After Death, Book 3, the final issue. Amazing Spider-Man Omnibus, Volume 3. This has Amazing Spider-Man 68 to 104. I think I've read most of these in reprints. That's it for this month.